All right, Dr. Zach Kadolph here with Sled Chiropractic. Today we're going to go over sciatic nerve flossing and tensioning. So what this is for is if you've got some severe low back pain to one side, and then that sciatica is going down one side or the other. Some people will get it down both legs, so if that's the case, you want to do both sides. So we're going to start with my right leg. What you want to do is you want to make sure that your knees are at 90 degrees, your feet are flat on the ground, your low back is nice and straight, 90 degrees as well. First things first, we want to make sure that when we're doing this exercise, we've got our legs straight out, and then we've got our toe flexed straight towards our forehead here, pointing at us. And then to add the motion with that, what you want to do is you want to put that leg up with the toe flexed and the head back. And you want to synchronize these like that. And you want to put your toe or your heel back just behind 90 degrees there. And then you want to do this in between 5 and 10 times. And you can do this 3 or 4 times a day. So you want to start out with this one, and you want to do it nice and slow, especially when you're in a lot of pain. Over time, that'll get easier and easier. As it gets easier, we'll want to move into a tensioning exercise. So this is actually going to stretch the nerve, make it longer so that these problems aren't going to happen to you quite as often, this low back and the sciatica pain. So same thing with the foot. You want your toe flexed, but this time you want your head down towards the foot. So we're going to have that out. We're going to go up, and then we're going to have it down. So like so again, and keep doing that 5 to 10 times. Now, once both of these get easy, I would say do both. So you can have that toe pointed. You can do 5 with your head back. And then you can come back and you can do 5 with your head forward. And like I said, if you've got pain down both legs, make sure you work both legs. Obviously, if you've got the left-sided pain, work the left side of the leg. All right, thanks.